dishwasher load. I'm going to clean the filter and sprouts, by the way. But yeah, I've actually got something to tell you. This is why I very quickly said about the dishwasher. This. Our bread machine. I'm actually going to do a fit of this bread machine. We're going to make a basic loaf tomorrow. I thought I'd let you subscribers know beforehand. But yeah, it still works perfectly. Yeah, we're going to do a fitting. We've got the two pedals down there. But yeah, by the way, I'm actually going to sell this bread machine in the future, and I'm going to get a Cucina. I think some people say it differently, but it's a Cucina CBK 200 convection bread maker. So it's got like a fan that will blow the air around. It usually on the because the display's here and the bread pan's like this, and then here is like the fan that blows it all onto the bread. But that's not anywhere near to happening now. But in the future, that's what I'm getting. It'll be quite exciting. Never had a convection bread machine. I know what it is because I've seen some reviews of them. And what it is like just what I said. It has a heating element around the fan, and it blows that hot air onto the bread. It also has a second heating element down there, and there's actually a concealed heating element that's 600 watts that will burn any spillage so that you can just wipe it up. Like a, it's like one of those ovens with the, what is it called? I don't know, but yeah. So I thought I'd just let you know. That's what we're going to do. And to prove this is Andrew James, there it is. We're going to make a 1,000 gram loaf. Here it tells you everything. So yeah, I thought I'd just let you know about this, and that's what I'm going to do. I also thought I'd let you know about the fact that I will be selling it and getting a replacement, which is a Cucina CBK 200. Yes, this still works, and yes, it still makes bread, but I wanted a convection bread machine, and so far I'm going to stick with this, but when I feel the time is right, I will then move on to a different bread machine, which is that Cucina CBK 200. Back to the video of the dishwasher. So yeah, whew, that was a lot to say out to you guys. But yeah, so what we're washing. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the CBK 200 by Cucina because it's just like an oven with a fan, which is a bread machine that I've never had, and the pan it's like a special bread machine for that reason. Oh, why? So, I'm having a bad time today. Yeah. Why did you do that, you stupid dishwasher? I hate it. I hate when it happens. guys. You can laugh. It's all right. If you laugh at me, I'm fine. It's just stupid living and blooming dishwasher. That's how your wheels on your dishwasher snap. And you do that because I'm quite glad none of these wheels got damaged. Well, they could have got damaged, which made me quite peeved. Why is it doing that? It's like it doesn't want it. Why isn't it going in though? It's not right. It should go in. Why is it doing that? It's like this dishwasher's become into an alien and it's doing one of its. Please stop doing this. It's not funny anymore. What's going on? No, why do you? Okay, guys. I'll be back once I clean this filter. To the dishwasher. Fuck you. Sorry for the language, but I got really mad at that thing. Oh, I hate when things don't play like they should do. Like, oh. Right, I'll be back. Alright? Stupid dishwasher. Alright, guys. So, I've cleaned it all. Yes, you heard me getting annoyed for the first time with a dishwasher. Now, it is the first time it's done that, so I was getting well confused. I didn't even have a clue what was going on, why it was doing it, which could have explained why I got so annoyed. But, hey, it shuts successfully now, so it's not a problem anymore. So, yeah, let's just forget about that. See, look, shuts perfectly now. I don't know what's that little glitch on the bleak flavor or something. I think it might have been, but who knows. Alright, bottom brown. Looks all good. Upper brown. Looking all good as well. That says it all. Just need to find the nose. Oh. You're just about able to see the tablet. So that shows that it's closed. Now we just need to choose the organite wash. Number 6. Tablet light on. And there's the number 6 cycle. There it is. So let's switch on the machine. Right, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, share if you want. Until next time, see you in the next one.